In Parshas Vayishlach Shishi, there is something very unusual. We have paragraphs and we have pesukim. A paragraph in the middle of a posuk is something which is very unusual. And the Gemara says that Parsha is space that was given to Moshe to be misboinen. Vayelech Ruven vayishkav es bilo belegeshovi vayishma Yisrael. New paragraph. Vayiyu bnei Yankov shnei Moser. The end of the posuk. We find the same thing in Parshas Pinchas. Vayi achrei hamagefo. Paragraph. Vayomer Hashem el Moshe belelozor ben Aharon HaKohen leimor. And the third time is in Parshas Devorim. Banavor mes achen bnei Esav vayoshvim beseir mederech u'arovo me'eilas u'me'etzion gover. Paragraph. In Shuvas Chasam Sofer, Shulam Rav Yedidi Harav Hagodol Hamuflag V'Hamuflag B'Toiro Kvoid Moreno Rab Yankev Weiler Av Beisen Beach. In the Shuva, the Shoel asks, how come we find the Torah only one place, a hefsek paragraph in the middle of the posuk? The Chasam Sofer says, I'm sorry to tell you that 3 times in the Torah that we find a hefsek, a paragraph in the middle of a posuk. Vayishlach, Pinchas, and Devorim. This presents us a huge problem. First of all, can a person be mafsik in the middle of the posuk that has a parsha? We have a klal called posuk, the lo posuk Moshe and lo paskinan. What is halacha in these 3 places? Can a person stop? Can somebody else get an aliyah? How are you maveseder, those who are mafsik between parsha le parsha, to say the targum? Machloikes haposkim. The other problem is, how many psukim do we have? We consider this one posuk or 2 separate psukim? At the end of each parsha there's a sikum, how many psukim in the parsha. In Parshas Vayishlach it says has 154 psukim, kuv nun dalet. That is only if you consider that hefsek like 2 psukim. That's why some people are magiya in parentheses and say there's kuv nun gimel psukim. But in Parshas Pinchas, which also we have a hefsek parsha in the middle of a posuk, and it's not considered a separate posuk. We have a stira. Same thing in Parshas Devorim is 105 psukim, counting the hefsek like one posuk. So why is it Parshas Vayishlach different than Pinchas and Devorim? By the way, there is another place that we find a hefsek parsha in the middle of a posuk. Both Parshas Yisroi and Parshas Voeschanon by the Aseres Adibros. In Tam Atachton is one big posuk, Loi Sirtzach, Loi Sinov, Loi Signoif, Loisanem Bereyacho Eit Sheker, that's one posuk, divided in 3 separate paragraphs. In the next posuk also, there is a hefsek parsha in the middle of the posuk. So far we have 5 parshas with a hefsek parsha in the middle of the posuk. And if you want to find more, we have another 2 parshas that have a huge amount of hefsekin in the middle of the psukim. Parshas Beshalach and Parshas Ha'azinu, by the Shiras Hayom and the Shiras Ha'azinu. Also we find it by Aseres Bnei Homon. But those places are Shiras. By Shiras there is a Shir parsha which is nish me'akev, is not me'akev. So how do you read Shnai Mikro Ve'chotargim when there's a hefsek parsha in the middle of the posuk? The kitzur Shulchan Aruch maintains that you consider like 2 separate psukim, and you stop in the middle of the posuk. By the way, this is also to those who learn posuk targum. So he has to learn half a posuk targum, half a posuk targum, and that is the shita from the Aruch Hashulchan also. Rav Chaim Pinchas Scheinberg maintains they should be machmir, and should learn the entire parsha with that posuk twice, and the second time start from that posuk again with the next parsha twice. Can you give an aliyah until the middle of the posuk? There's one sheet in the Gemara and Rosh Chodesh that we don't have enough psukim that you learn until half a posuk, and the next half a posuk goes to the next aliyah by Rosh Chodesh. Some Sfardim are nohagim that in Parshas Vayishlach the tzibur you learn it like one posuk altogether. In Beyechidos you learn it like 2 separate psukim. That could be there is a machloikes how many psukim are there in this parsha, and this is only by Parshas Vayishlach. Naseas Adibros is just the opposite. The tzibur you learn them like separate psukim. In Beyechidos you learn it like one posuk.